Fresh out of the recent Lexus Guest Experience Leadership Summit, our team here at Technicraft Collision Repair Experts has gained tremendous insight from the great minds at Lexus, specifically on customer care. In short, the summit primarily focuses on elevating the customer service journey. It's meant to drive a cultural shift within organizations toward customer experience. And it explores hospitality through omotenashi, the Japanese philosophy of anticipating what someone needs before they have to ask. For our team, this is crucial for guiding someone going through the stressful and often frustrating experience of navigating collision repair and everything that comes along with it. Let's face it, nobody walks through our doors having a great day. There's a damaged car, an insurance claim to deal with, and no clear answer yet on when they'll get their vehicle back. Our team returned from the Lexus Summit sharper from the experience, with tools for better helping customers navigate through hectic post-accident processes. If you're in need of collision repair services, contact us today for a stress-free estimate.